Moving is one of the top 5 stresses in life, along with losing a loved one, divorce, major illness or injury, and job loss. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy. Practical solutions for everyday issues. Unpacking will be a breeze if you have a staging area for boxes to arrive. Set aside an area for boxes to go when you and your movers, if you have them, arrive at your new home. That way everything is in a central place, divided up into the right room from one location. Label your boxes. Remember when I said about packing, when I said label, label, label? This is when those labels come in handy. If each box says what room it goes to, you, your family and movers don't need to coordinate with each other. They can just put the box where the label says. Few things are more irritating on move day than someone asking you, where does this one go and this one? This is especially true if a box is unlabeled, because then it has to be opened before you make a decision. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Label, label, label. Unpack each box in its new room. Once the boxes are in the correct room, then they can be opened and unpacked. It makes a lot more work to open up the kitchen supplies in the living room and take each item into the kitchen. Save yourself lots of little trips by getting the box in the right place the first time. Unpack the most essential things first. Kitchen supplies, clothes for the next few days, medications, anything you'll need immediately should be unpacked first. By the time you've unpacked your belongings, you've put in a ton of work to get moved. You prepared for the move by decluttering, you packed thoughtfully, and you brought over all of your things to your new home. Give yourself a pat on the back for all the work you've done and enjoy organising your new home. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. Practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram and visit our website organisetoexcel.com.